She moved into the house next door. Said she'd never been in love before. Tried the best she could to hide herself away. But every time she turned the lights down low, he thought he heard her voice calling out so slow. Come and take me away from all this pain. And he said, I see you sitting there at the windowsill, looking for shooting stars. I wanna get closer and closer still. I wanna take over your heart. You will be mine, mine. Over time, you're gonna find. I'll make you mine, mine. Every morning when she came outside, he tried to be the one to catch her eye, but she would only turn away and hide. He started to concoct a plan to get her to return the feelings that he had, to show her how he thought they were entwined. I see you sitting there at the windowsill, looking for shooting stars. I wanna get closer and closer still. I wanna take over your heart. You will be mine, mine. Over time, you're gonna find. I'll make you mine, mine. Little love letters written in red, folded up, put away next to the bed. Oh, little crushed hopes every day, waiting in the wings to spirit her away. I see you sitting there at the windowsill, looking for shooting stars. I wanna get closer and closer still. I wanna take over your heart. You will be mine, mine. Over time, you're gonna find. I'll make you